Hello guys.
Start now, please.
Yes. Give me the control, mister.
Permission. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You can control
Okay.
the mouse and the keyboard now. Yeah.
Yes. Now I'm doing Instagram login with HTTP web request in C#. So this program make you login into your account with C#. You put username and password, and if it's right, you will log in. So what you can do with this program, if you have a big business or something like that, you can make it bigger and make it reply to people questions and people messages. Okay, but right now we're just doing a login. What is login in Instagram? It's making login in Instagram app. So how did I know that it's Instagram app? Because Instagram app is using API, not uh, not uh, not like the browser. Okay, so right now I did HTTP web request and I created the the web request and I put the URL of the login, and after then you need to have something named guide or UUID. This is like the ID of your request. You need it either way. You will not get done with the request. After then I put the data. The data is like the password and username.
Just 1 minute
Okay,
here. Just 1 minute here.
so
You said the API. Do you know what is the API?
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
What is the API? It stands for what, for example?
In Instagram,
Yeah, yeah.
between the client and the app, the connection in Instagram is connection between the client and the app. Like when you do follow for someone, you send
So
and
it is a
request
software.
with the API.
You can say
Yes,
it's the API
software.
is a software allowed to application to talk to each
To
other.
the yes,
Talk to each other. Send and request. Send and
yes,
request. Okay?
yes.
API stands for Application Programming Interface. Application Programming
Programming.
Interface.
It's a
Okay.
connection between the client and the app in Instagram. So after I did the data, okay, I need to make it as a byte so Instagram can see it. So I made it a byte and I make the encoding for it, and it's need to be UTF-8, and I did get bytes to the data I put right here.
UTF-8 here. We have another encoding, ANSI code, and so on. Okay? Your friend here use
Yes.
UTF-8. Okay? To send the data. Okay.
Yes. And after then I put the method of the request. You have, I think, two main methods: get and post, and you have set also.
Yes.
So I make it post request because
And
it's
we say
post
the method here, it is not
not
method or function. It is a property, okay?
a property. Yes,
To inform the class of the HTTP web request, I want to make post here, okay?
yes.
Complete. You can complete. Okay, thank you.
After then I put the user engine of my my mobile phone that I get the networking from it.
Yes.
After then I put the host and the content type. After then I put headers, accept language, and I put English. Okay. After then I put the content length, and the content length is the post data length, that right here, but you need to put long. After then I make a cookie counter so I can save my cookies. So after then, if I want to make another request or another function, I can use my login cookies, and I make a stream.
And the cookies is a file saved on the C partition on your computer, okay?
Yes. I made a stream and I get the request to stream. So after that, I made the stream write for me the post data, so to send it to Instagram. So, and I close the stream. Right now, I need to get the text that will Instagram answer me with it. So I will make HTTP web response. Sorry, it's
Yeah, yeah. Backspace and write response. Control space now.
HTTP web.
Control space like this. Yeah.
Yes, HTTP web response, and I will name it as
You will create now an
or
object from HTTP web response. Okay.
yes. After then, I will make try an expectation so I can get the response from the web. So I make try.
Tab, double tab now. Double tab. I learned something here. You wrote type. Okay. Try. You wrote
Yes.
try. Double tab now from the keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
To save the time. Okay.
Yes, and I will make it expectation catch web expectation, not expectation.
What is the kind of
Web
exception here? Web exception. Okay.
web exception. Web exception, and I will not. I will name it.
WE for
Uh,
example.
but I,
WE. Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah, and I will not throw it. I don't need to throw it.
Throw.
Okay.
Remove it. Yeah.
Yes. So I will come here at the try, and I will get response from the web. So res, okay, is equal to HTTP web response. HTTP web response. Okay. After then, I will make rec. Okay, rq get response. Okay. Dot get response. Close. Yes.
This code for what?
To get the response from the request I made. After then, I can make it as a string, but right now it's as byte, I think. Okay.
Your friend here make a casting. Okay, the casting data will explain in the next week. Next week, inshallah. Here, make a casting to convert from HTTP web response to HTTP from HTTP web request to HTTP web response.
Yes.
Okay, it is a casting operation. Complete. Thank you.
And they will come right here, and I will do the same thing, but I will change res, and it will be equal to HTTP web response, but except of the rq.get response, I will make eb.get response, the exception we made. Sorry, eb.response, sorry, not get response. Okay, okay. And I will this I need right now to get the text that the website answered me. Okay, now I made the request. The website will answer me with a text. So I need to get it. So I will make using with the stream reader. Okay, and I will get it. So
to read from the website.
Yes.
Okay.
Using yes, and I will make it with a stream reader. Stream reader as stream reader R. Okay. After I made like this, I need to now make a new stream reader so I can get the response. New stream, sorry, new stream reader, and I'll make a bracket and write the dot get response. Okay. And I'll make bracket and another bracket, and I will open the bracket like this. Maybe there is an error, I think, yes, because I forgot this bracket. Okay. So right now, I can get the text. I will make a string.
At first, the stream reader is a class to read from a file.
Website.
Read
Yes.
from a file. I use a stream reader object here to read from a file. Okay?
Okay.
His brother is a stream writer. I use a stream writer also to write to another file. Okay?
Right. Yeah. Okay.
You can complete
So
now.
I make a string.
Complete now.
Make string r is equal to string r will be equal to stream reader read to end. Stream reader to read the website.
Yeah.
Stream r. Okay.
Stream art is the object
Like
from stream
here.
reader class. That's
Here.
right. Read to end.
Read.
Read to end of the file.
Yes. Sorry, I make it string by wrong. Read. No autocomplete.
Yeah.
Read. Where is read to end? Yes. Sorry.
Streamer.
Yeah.
Dot. Yes. Excuse me, I'll help you.
Yes, because it's lagging.
Streamer dot read to end.
Read to end. Yes, because
Okay.
it was lagging. So now I will make console dot write line so I can see what is the response. I will make console dot write line, and for the R, and let's see the response. Okay. Can you run the program, mister?
Okay. But at first we are here in a turbo function. Okay. So I
So
have
you
to
can
call this function
in
inside.
the program .cs. Okay.
Okay. Now
You can.
it is static or non-static?
Which one?
It is
It's
static function
public.
or non-static? It is
Static.
public function. Oh
Yeah.
no, it is on
No,
non-static.
not static. Yes.
Non-static. So I have to call this function by use the object or use the class name.
The object.
That's right. Now you can create an
Yes.
object from Hegazy
Can
class.
you can make it? You can make it another way. Like come here. Okay. And make static.
Why I have here a static void, the main static void here.
Yes, I will show you something. So, static void. Okay. Class. And after then, I will close it. Come right here. And come right here and Hegazy. Okay. And Hegazy will be equal to Hegazy. And
New.
like this, new Hegazy.
Now your friend create object from Hegazy class. Okay. Then
Yes. yes, here, but semicolon, sorry. And I will call the class. And you can run it right down.
Okay, now you call the class function, okay? But I
Okay.
want now to call what?
Call what?
Huh? My turbo function here,
The Do you want to
Hegazy
call the?
dot turbo.
Yeah, but
You
if
just
you
here.
come right here,
Hmm,
if you come right here to Hegazy, okay, it will run. The class will run.
okay,
Like,
now you can run
right?
the program. Okay,
Yes, run from here without Hegazy.turbo.
run now. Press F5 and run the application now. Show
Yes,
me.
okay. F5. Mr. I'm
Hmm, you can't see anything.
oh my, yes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So
You
I
can.
have to
We can.
call. I have to call the function here.
The function. Yeah.
Hegazy dot turbo.
Hegazy.turbo.
Right now it will be okay after
Okay.
semicolon.
Turbo.
Yes.
And add the semicolon. But we need to write this.
Yes, that's right. Huh. Now run the program. Press F5. Enter the username, for
Yes.
example.
Right now, I need to get a fake account. So I have this secure account. Okay. Secure that I tried to log in a lot of times. So it give me that it's secure, but we will see. We just need to know, does it log in or not? And screen. Okay. It's login. It's login, right? So it's give me that, okay, you login, but there is a challenge secure. So the program, it's working.
Thank you very, very much,
Thank you.
Hegazi. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, now we learn today how to call the function. Okay, but at first, Hijazi here, make a static void class. Okay, I can delete this class function and try to call the function here. Take this copy. This is code copy, Control C, for example, and put it here instead of calling a class function. And try again. You can try again, Hijazi. Okay.
What,
Now,
mister?
instead of this function, try again. Enter the
F5?
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, the same thing. But Hijazi put the code in a separated function, separated static function. Okay. Thank you, Hijazi. Okay. Do you understand? Your friend make like this. Your friend made like this. Put this code in a separated function, static function, and call the static function here. That's right. Okay. But I can save, okay, save time and write this code inside the main function. It is also static function. Okay. It is a rubbish code now. Okay. Hijazi, Hijazi
Yes.
object equal new Hijazi. Now your friend here created object from the Hijazi class. Then use the Hegazy object to call the turbo function. To call the turbo function. Because the turbo function here, it is non-static function. Non-static function. If I made like this, static function. Now a turbo function become a static function. Now back to program class and see the error. The Hegazy object can't call the turbo function because the turbo function now become a static function. So how can I call this function? By the full name. What is the full name? The class name Hegazy dot Hegazy is object or Hegazy class. Hegazy class. This one. Dot. I can see now the turbo function because turbo function become a static. Okay, and remove this code also. So here I can call the turbo function because the, the turbo function become a static function. From here, we learned how to call the static function and non-static function. Non-static function, I can call it using object. I have to create object here. But the static function, become now a static function, I have to use the class name, the class. If I wrote here, Hegazy, I display the class, class PE project dot Hegazy. PE project one, the namespace dot Hegazy. Okay. What is the namespace here?
Mister, do you hear me?
Yeah. PE project
Yes, Mister.
dot
Mister, I got a few. Mister, I
Hegazy.
got not an answer. Mister, do you hear me?
Repeat again your question, please.
Hello. You hear me, Mister?
Yeah, yeah.
I want to add something. That's something. Now I got non-fake, make like if it login say look here. If I get here, 1 minute. Okay, I will get the username
You can't write.
and
Yeah, okay.
yes. So look, he will give me logged in user or yes, no, it's some it's got secure also.
Fail.
Okay, Mister, it's got secure.
You
No,
you
it's not fail. It's secured.
where? Point to
Look,
it.
Mister, I will show you.
That's to
Look,
open.
if I go to Instagram,
You want to use a browser? Okay.
yes, Instagram.